Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem we have today, truthfully, they call it a math trick, butterfly method, okay? I'm going to show you how we could solve this, okay? It's 2/7 plus 1/5, okay? It equals what? Okay, what we have to get is the denominators to be the same. It's got to be the same number, okay? So what we have to look for is something that both of them goes into. So let's see. We'd normally take 7, and I'd just keep multiplying myself. I'd do 7 times 2 is 14. No, 5 doesn't go into 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 5 doesn't go into 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 5 doesn't go into that. 7 times 5 is 35. Yeah, hey, it goes into that, okay? So 35's the magic number, okay? So I'd have 35, okay? So how many? So 7 goes into 35 5 times 2 at the top would be 10/35, okay? That's what it would be, and then plus, okay? Now 5 goes into 35. I got to make that into 35. Okay, so 35. 5 goes into that 7 times. So it would equal 17/35. Okay, 17/35. Okay, that's how I normally would have done it, okay? You know, it's just trial and error. You have to start with the 7 and you go to 14, you go to 21, you go to 28, you go to 35, and you're looking for numbers, okay, that both of them will go into. But here's another way you could do this. You ready? Okay, they call it the butterfly technique, okay? So you make a little butterfly. I've done this before in a couple other videos to show you, okay? So you kind of form like a butterfly like this, okay? Little antennas up there, okay? So you do 5 times 2 is 10. 7 times 1 is 7. Okay, now what you do, whatever this sign is, if it's a plus or a minus, you carry it up here. So this is a plus, okay? So it's a plus. So now we come over, and at the bottom, okay, we do a times. I'm going to put an X, even though I like the dot better, okay? But I'll put the X. We're not solving for X, but just so you know, I like a dot better, okay? 7 times 5 is 35. That solves that. Now, 10 plus 7 is 17. So we get the same answer. And I didn't have to go 7 times 2 is 14 times 3 is 21. I didn't have to do that, okay? So, truthfully, this worked out pretty good. Okay, let's try the next one, okay? So we got, make the little butterfly. Make the little butterfly. Let's get a little antenna going. Little antenna going here. I kind of ran into it with the other one. So 7 times 2 is 14. 5 times 4 is 20. And it's a plus sign, so I carry the plus up. And now at the bottom, I'm going to do the X again, even though I like the dot better. So over here, we're going to have 7 times 5 is 35 again. Now at the top, we're going to have 14 plus 20 is 34. So the answer is 34/35. And that's it, okay? Now let's go down to the next one, okay? Make the same little butterfly. Okay, so 5 times 5, got to have the little antennas. 5 times 5 is 25. Put the 25 over here. Okay, 9 times 2 is 18. Put that here. We got a plus sign. Okay, now 9 times 5 is, I'm going to do the dot. Okay, it's 45. And 18 plus 25 is 43. And that's the answer. So the butterfly technique kind of works out not too bad. Okay, now, let's say we did this one here, was 2/5 minus 4/7. Okay, so let's see how this would work. We do the same little butterfly thing. Make the butterfly, carry the little antennas up here. Okay, so we get 7 times that is 14. 14. 5 times was 20. This time this is 35. Now, we got 14 minus 20. What would that be? I think it's negative 6. Okay, negative 6. Okay, so our answer is negative 6/35. And that was it. So that worked out pretty neat because we actually were able to do a negative number 2. Okay, so if you like this video, because I should have carried the little negative sign up so you could see it, the minus. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember what I said, math can be fun. And if you have any mathematical friends or any kids or grandkids, share this with them. It might help them. Okay, maybe they could do math quicker on a test. Okay, and get a better grade. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.